So what it do, my guys? What it do? Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to wrap a roof of an EVO. It's kind of out of my comfort zone. I've only wrapped VQs as like in Z's and G's, but this is the very first time I get to wrap an EVO. So it's gonna be a learning experience for me and for you guys. So I'm gonna teach you basically what I do, but maybe y'all can do it better, and y'all can teach that, you know, y'all can just do it yourselves. Anything to help you out, anything to save you guys money or anything. Well, let's go. This is what we'll be wrapping today. Well, not this. We'll be wrapping this right here, baby. This right here. Alright, let's get it going. We're about to head to this crib. I gotta get the honors. We're drying this baby. Let's go do some quick pulls. Hey yo. See? Let's go have some fun. Multitasking, boys. My guy did not tell me he had his beauty, man. Check this shit out. This is soon to be Tilted Mom member. Just remember that, soon to be. Videos, static light. Alright guys, we just got to his garage right now. He's just moving some of the cars. This is the things you're gonna need. We already washed the car, so that's already done. I use Glutarite. I mean, you can use anything else you want to use. But other than that, you're gonna need a lint-free towel, alcohol, a squeegee, a wrap glove, a heat gun, extension cord, and maybe magnets if you got some. If not, I will put everything down on the link below, so you can just go ahead and look that up. So I'm gonna kind of teach you what to do. The only thing that's gonna be kind of harder on this one is gonna be the antenna. So this is the first time I ever done this, so if I fuck up, I fuck up. At least y'all learn off me. To take off the black part, there are 7 clips that you gotta take off. I already took these off already. I also forgot that since we already cleaned the top, we're gonna clay bar it just to make that extra little cleanness and just to get everything done. So here's a little time lapse. Dirt in there, but clean all that up. This is where the alcohol comes in for. Alright, so now we clean the edges. Right now is just to clay bar the car, and we can start wrapping. I also totally forgot how to remove the antenna, so I'm gonna kind of teach you guys how to do it. So, see. So to get to the antenna, let's take off this clip, I use a flathead, and the little pillars right here, and the pillar over here to get access right here, and the nut that you will need, or the bolt that you need, is a 10mm, and I don't have space right now with the camera to show you guys. Well, I'm about to get it off right now. Take these off also, make it a little bit easier for you guys. That is an 8mm. Just so you won't, you know, fuck up your headliner or anything. It's always good to, you know, have a little snack when you're installing things. Not me, cuz. Not me. Let me see if I can get this. Oh, oh. Ooh, the juices, ooh. After your brake is done, now you can take off the antenna. This actually wasn't a 10mm, it was 22. You just take it off and take out the wiring and clean that up. Using today would be Avery Supreme Gloss Black. You already want to go ahead and do a little pre-cut. Always have extra just in case, just to play around with. And once you're done, just put the extra wrap up. Now, let's get this roof done. This is basically how it looks so far. Just done. I'm gonna go over it with my hand real quick, just see if there's any bubbles. Ooh. Ooh. It's for my little ASMR right there. Look at that. I was like, you know, I always gotta watch out for y'all ASMRs, guys. Look, I know this is gonna be satisfying. Look. Ooh, bad, but my camera kind of died, so basically got everything done. It's cut. Look at that, look at that. Now just put it back together and we're done. I actually found a way to put on the antenna and to kind of show you guys, so give me a sec right here. Right there. So take out that 22 right there, connect all that, and your antenna's back on. That's all you have to do. All right, here goes. Where's the light? You got the light? Real quick. That's how it looks. Everything looks good. I already prepped everything. Everything looks good right now. But what we're really about to go do, we're gonna take the EVO for some couple pulls, trying to see if the wrap can hold up 600 horsepower. What you think? What you think? If you think it can't, comment below. If you think it does, give it a like. All right, see you in a few.
Gotta say, stay away from the fake. I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shop our pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.